Washington is full of all sorts of farms, from rolling hills of wheat to small blueberry farms. Every single one has something special to offer. But one thing many of these farms share is that they're rooted in family. Here at Puterbaugh Farms, they're growing amazing hops with family at the center. Stacy Puterbaugh has the best team to share the work with.
I got two boys, Levi and Drew, that are farming with me. And I farm with my father and my sister. And you just get to be around family a lot.
Yeah,
So,
everybody's
and the
here.
grandkids.
Does everyone get along mostly?
It's family, you know. We get hair pulling contests every once in a while.
For Stacy's sons, Levi and Drew, they couldn't imagine life any other way.
Working with family is the best part of farming, honestly.
What does harvest look like?
Chaos. No, but on a good day, harvest is a beautiful thing. Poetry in motion. It just depends on the day in harvest.
Yeah.
There is no 2 days alike, so every day's a new day. It's why we do what we do during harvest.
We're growing 19 different varieties on this farm here.
Do you have a favorite one that you like?
They're all wonderful. So kind of like children, you can't choose a favorite, but there are a couple that rise to the top.
But if you were to ask him his favorite beer,
I get enough hops in the year that I generally would stray away from having a beer.
Hops are in your blood,
Exactly.
so to speak, without having to drink the beer.
Yes, it's like going up and licking a kiln belt to me. So, you get enough of it and you're working in it. But there's a beauty to it because it's more almost like an artist. You make the masterpiece and people come to enjoy it.
now Drew is taking me to the kiln where harvested hops are laid out to dry.
This was picked approximately an hour ago. We've ran air just with a fan for an hour. That helps wick off the initial moisture. Then we put heat to it.
So I guess when I squeeze on them, you can kind of feel like
Some moisture,
some
yeah.
moisture. Yeah.
And then do you hear the crinkle when you move it back
Yeah.
and forth? That's the dry matter in the cone itself as it's hanging in the field. Just kind of hear it crinkle.
Yeah.
You know it's dry enough to pick. If it's
Okay.
still green, then it's not quite ready to pick.
So I can hear it just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
And this one should be the driest. So
Oh, they're like
this is
paper.
almost ready. Yep, exactly.
They are.
So we're shooting for 8 to 10% moisture. So there's still a little bit left in here.
So those ones that I dropped in there weren't probably supposed to go in there.
It all works out in a wash.
Okay.
Yeah. Well,
Oh yeah, you can really feel the difference.
yes. One thing that you feel for is this strig, which is the center part. You kind of take all the leaves off, and then it's left with this green core, the
Yeah.
strig of the hop. And that will feel papery. If it's rubbery, it's too wet. So there's a lot of a feel aspect to it. There's some nuance to drying. One of the more important jobs in the farm because you can work all year and then mess up on the drying and not have a quality product.
I think Washington hop growers pride themselves on producing quality hops. Quality is key and no job is half done.
You guys work hard, but it seems like you love what you do.
Oh yeah, I enjoy every day.
And you get to do it with your family.
Yeah, we get to do it with our family. Favorite part and worst part, all in one. Definitely the favorite part. Definitely the favorite part.